Hello Maple class, my name is NJ and today I'm here to talk about my career in the STEM industry, which is a little bit different to a lot of people because I am my own boss. I run my own company NJ Studios and I also work part-time at a retail store. I am a freelancer and I work in many different areas including graphic design and video editing, and I've worked with lots of interesting people on so many different projects. Today though, I'm going to be focusing on my work in building websites and how you guys can get involved in the T in STEM if you don't want to work for somebody else's company, because that's what I've done. So, what does my job involve when I'm building websites? Well, to be able to build a website, you need to be able to understand basic HTML and JavaScript coding, which are basically two of the many different languages computers speak in, web design, which is how you want the layout, colours and fonts to look on your website, and how to use a website builder, which is the program you use to create your website. There's so many different ones out there to choose from, so have a look with a parent or guardian later on if you want to dig deeper. Now you're probably wondering, how does this all link back to STEM? Well, IT links to so many different things around you, even if you're not a super nerd like me. I'm sure you guys use laptops, computers and tablets in your ICT lessons, and you get to learn so many different skills that apply to website building. For example, I'm sure you've made a great poster in something like Word or Publisher before. And you don't want a boring looking poster, do you? You want something that looks fun. So you might change the font, or you might add a picture or add some colour, which is basically 50% of making a website. Not as scary as you thought, eh? What inspired me to get into IT? Well, I was always browsing the internet as a kid, playing different games or learning about different things, and I was always interested in how all of it worked. So I decided to teach myself how to do it all, and very quickly it became one of my hobbies. I haven't made any websites recently though, but I always found them fun to do whenever I had the chance to make one. What did a typical day look like for me when I was building websites though? Well, it depended on whether I had work that day to do or not. If I had a website to work on, I would have a meeting with my client to talk about their ideas and what they wanted their website to look like. I would then make a plan on how I'm going to make their website, build it, send it to the client to see if they want any changes made, and job done. But if I didn't have any websites to work on, I'd watch different YouTube videos about technology, I'd make my own computer programs, and I'd read a lot of technology blogs. I would also talk to friends and people I knew to see if anyone wanted a website made so that I could find some work to do. There's a bunch of different resources I've found where you can get involved in technology, no matter what area of IT you're interested in. And maybe one day, you'll be running a company building websites even better than mine, and who knows, you might even steal all of my customers. Thank you Maple class for listening to my presentation, and I hope you have a fantastic day.